Try to help my mom with her car. See how this goes. Shit. Praying is just an issue with her battery, because that's the only thing I know how to fix on a car. The battery and changing the tire. It came on pretty easily. Uh-oh. There's another boat stopping it from moving. As you can see, I don't have the right equipment. Maybe something to keep it in place here, and I can't get that off. So the battery is unplugged, but I'm not able to get this this other part off.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it.
I think that's Jay.
You want to show it to him, Mom?
Oh, yeah. Hold on. How you flip the camera? Oh. There we go. Yeah, it's holding it in place. I'm trying to see what tool I got that I can get that dislodged. I think I found something, but it's a half.
Yeah, I saw what Coach
My boy Jay came through with the ratchet set, and we were able to get the battery out. So now we're at Advanced Auto Parts. I'm gonna get this battery charged.
Alright, gotta check it first. I'll figure it out.
That means it might end up being the alternator if the battery is good. But we're gonna see. But it's just me guessing though. I don't know nothing about that car.
It started yesterday. I got it jumped off. It started. This morning I got it.
So my concern is, I'm gonna see if it'll take a charge. It's not showing it's completely bad, it just says charge and retest. My concern is that it's almost 5 years old, and maybe on its last day.
Okay.
But it's gonna take about an hour.
Alright.
Charge.
Cool. We'll be back. Okay.
20 minutes later.
The sun out today. 50? Oh, okay. Alright.
Hey, your battery won't hold a charge.
Alright, so maybe if it's just the battery, then that may be a good thing.
You want the same type of battery?
Yes.
668.
It's a Chevy Malibu, 04 Chevy Malibu. Yes, sir.
I got 3 in stock. I got one for $99.99 and 1 year warranty. One for $159.99, 2 year warranty. $89.99 and 3 year warranty.
Let me do the 2 year.
2 year warranty. Alright. Thank you, now.
All right.
Have a great day.
Yes, sir.
How you?
All right. Hopefully that's it. Hopefully this fixes the issue. Alright, I gotta use the bathroom. Alright, well.
This sounds good.
Alright, cool. Well, I'm finna head on out. Yes, ma'am. No problem. Alright, mama.
See ya.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, you too.
Negative things that have been passed down in your family line. In this new thing, God is going to break generational curses.